Talk more about your garden. What are you growing? How often are you replanting, and what does that look like?
I'm very weird about my garden. I don't like doing it in the winter. So I'm against winter gardens are not interesting to me. I don't know why. Just in the summer, I love my garden. I go in there every single day. I this year I grew tomatoes and these Jimmy peppers and shishito peppers um and all the things that I don't want to eat so much of, but I can't help it because it's growing, and then it doesn't make me feel that good because it's too much nightshades, but they're so yummy. And we have avocados because I have this big avocado tree, and what else am I growing? Kale always, cucumbers, um, basil, all the herbs. I'm trying to think of what's in the garden. Um, I was growing green beans. My squash did not grow this year. I do not know what happened. I refused to eat zucchini this summer. I wouldn't eat one slice of zucchini because I knew I was going to have zucchini. Because last year I had so much zucchini, I couldn't eat as much zucchini as I had, and so I wouldn't eat it. And then the summer went by, and my zucchini never grew. It grew into a huge, massive, beautiful plant with flowers, but it never sprouted any zucchinis. That was a bummer. Um, but now that it's winter, there's still some straggling tomatoes and basil, and I just don't even want it. I do, but it's not for me. I officially not into winter gardens. So that's the farmer's market and the store and stuff.
And is Bear into the gardening as well? I know for me, I have a young daughter at home who's 10 months now, and I'm excited as time goes on to get her more and more involved if she takes to it with me in the garden. And I could see how that could be a really enjoyable, for you, mother son activity.
It's so lovely, and I also thought that he would love it. And I have to say, Bear loves most things, but not gardening so much. he he's he loves cooking, and he loves me pulling the food from the garden and preparing it, but he never got as turned on to the gardening as, and he does it at school too. They do gardening in their school, and he's totally fine with it, and he does it with me, and he sits out there and he helps me pick stuff, but I can tell it's not his calling. There's a lot of things that are, that's not one of them. As of now, we'll see what happens.